So today we got this from, it basically came from Coach Outlet. So this is a bag fob, like y'all would understand. So yeah. So let's see. I actually pulled out real easy for being a bag fob. So let's see here. So you know how this year, so when you see this, they might have these out of stock. Just so you guys are aware, in like February. So what this is the Year of the Rabbit bag fob with mirror. So as I'm showing you, yep. So that was Coach Outlet. So I'll show you the tag says that, and then it. So what it says is comparable value, $78. Well, this is not $78 on Coach Outlet. This is like, I think, around $30. So, yeah. I just thought this is really nice. You know, like I said, I don't discriminate too much. They are, when you see this video, they already had released it, okay? Because I did this in, I want to say January 7th of 2023 when I did this video. Just so y'all know. So, they're going to re-release and Coach Outlet the heart-shaped bags. They have one with the cherries on the leather, which I think is cute. But I don't know if I would get that bag or not. Right now, in the coming soon, which when you see this video, I had already probably released it, you know. They're saying the bags are like around $200 American. But yeah. This is like really cute. I did not see any flaws. They do have Coach even embossed right there. So, the Year of the Rabbit. So that's what they did for Coach Outlet. Now the Coach Retail did do a collection for this, and they got a bunny head on them, and that's it. But no keychains. They sold out of some pieces for their Year of the Rabbit collection. So, yeah. So, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content. And don't forget to like, comment, and share the channel, as it would help give my channel out there to people that don't know about it yet. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye bye now.